In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own character in Stumble Guys. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are on computer or if you are playing on mobile, doesn't matter. So you need to come on your account, okay, log into your account on Stumble Guys and click right here on Customize below Shop. Click, and here you will see all skins that you have on Stumble Guys. You can search by color right here, by emotes, by animations, and so on. These three first options are the options that you can use to customize your character. So I can use this skin, just for example, if I want. So you can click on the skin and click to use. This is a new account, okay, that I created just to make the video, but you need to have skins to customize your character. Here on color, you can select also your color, okay. So if you want to use red, you can click right here to use, and on emotes you can use these default emotes, or if you have more emotes, okay, you can select the emote that you have, okay. After doing that, you just need to click on this arrow and you will customize your own character in Stumble Guys, okay. If you come right here on shop, you will see all skins that you have to buy. You can earn skins on a free spin, okay, every day, or you can buy your skins. I hope I helped you how to make your own character in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.